Hello guys, so I'm here today in Murder Mystery 2. So we can climb this up. I know how to play this. I've been playing this a lot. Oh, there's a boy. There's a boy. Let me sit in here. Can I see it? I cannot see it. That's so sad. Oh, there's moving. Ferris wheel. So I don't care. I want to get up this. Yes, let's go. Let's go. I'm not allowed. Hmm. So let's go. Let's solve the murder. Oh no, he's acting strange monster booty. So let's hear for a while. Let's find out and just somebody is the murderer. So who can it be? Wait, girl, who's the murderer? Just come up to someone. He's acting strange. Just jumping her. I'm jumping people cause maybe they're... Oh, I found a dead body, girl. Girl, push the shoe. No? So, maybe you're... Let's go find the murderer cause there's dead body around him, right? Let's go. Don't... Oh, we're not allowed. This is my first time playing this. I don't know what to do. What do I do? Oh, so we're like this. Oh, we can go to this, but not the water. Let's go. I feeling this here. So let's go find again. Maybe it's this one. I haven't come up yet. Maybe I'm innocent. Everything is joined late. It's really that. Oh, oh, like this is it. I didn't know that was the murder. Oh, Lala, Lily, Lulu. No, Cha. I'm gonna go. I don't want that. Peter. Peter. Shop. Let's go shopping. Like a shopping. Sophia. Like I want some emotes. How do I? How do I get that girl? Girl, this is my only weapon. Girl, I don't have any weapons. This is only my seat. I don't have this. I don't have. So I don't have anything. I'm just really poor. Oh, there's a shell event. Oh, oh. Let's go to the sheriff. I wanna be the victim. No! I wanna be the sheriff. Oh, this is the murder. This is the murder, right? I don't know. It's the murder. Oh, that's the murder. This is the sheriff. Okay, the sheriff has said that is yes, yes. I know who they said. Okay, let's go. Let's go sit. Let's go sit. Okay, let's go sit. Girl, how do I even sit? Girl, how do I sit? Oh, I sit like that. I kept getting innocent. This is Zaylik. Just check. Do not. Yeah, I'm gonna see it. Look, girl. Look. I'm sharing it. Like, this is my only look. Game emotes 1 out of 1. This is only mine. I don't have any. I'm gonna stare at this because I might have a joy. Oh, maybe that's. Why is he following me? She didn't notice. Oh, now my foot show up. That's just. Oh, sorry. I live in Philippines because that's my original behavior. Just should we learn Filipino? Wow! Lizzie, Trisha, and Bailey, EG, EG, VGGV. Trisha is a good name. Trisha is a good name. Trisha, it's like a famous name. Oh, a lot of people has died. Let's sing for the rabbit. I'm the feeling by the road. Sometimes I'm trying. Papa, Papa, paparazzi, don't be kind. Na 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 na, be kind. Papa, Papa, paparazzi, don't be kind. Okay, let's stop that chat. Let's just swim. Does Vanny know about this? If you see this, Vanny, please report me and chat my video. Cause I'm making a video. I know how to post and make a video and short and live. Cause I've been using YouTube a lot. I'm just a kid. Please comment my video. Vanny, please. Cause I really want to see you. Chat my comment. Please, Vani. Just heard that. Vani, please. I know how to spell your name. Ba, ba, ba. Oh, that's the mother. Oops. You missed one. Girl. Girl. Flow. Tea. Strawberries. Ha 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 is not a name. Vani, do you think haha is a name or not? Comment below. Usa ka lang, sirasang lan, son, nya, lan, son, nya. I kept getting innocent. If you share this one, just comment. So we see you every time. If there's comment, I stop scaring me. Stupid car or see car. Oh, I love ice or see car. Night, night life. Ignore. Jealous of my mention. So we're gonna talk about Stella Icon. Stella Icon, he removes Daniela every time. Like everyone is cut side. There's six, but Sophia is high on the new song. Cause he's sick, right? Please share it. Oh man, girl. We're gonna talk. I am gonna teach you. I'm not gonna teach you. Please, okay. Open the. Okay. To say me, ako. To say please, salam. How to say please in sa sa